Oh, do they have a flat? That doesn't look good there. Oh, he caught it. No bueno. Actually, it's bumming. Caught it on the edge of the rail. So this guy came to repair the tire, but he couldn't because, as you see in the video, they left it with the rail just stuck into the rim. There's no way for him to move the vehicle or the rim. You'll just be shitting blood for a week if you try to pick that thing up or move it by yourself. Okay, it's early in the morning and yes, they are back at it. Day 2 here. So what they have going on are lifting all these rails into place, dropping them onto the tie plates, getting them lag screwed in using the Pandrol E-Clips, welding it in certain spots, making sure it's all aligned. That guy in the yellow sleeves there is pretty much directing traffic today. So they spent a great deal, and it was a warm day. So the focus was on those switch sections, and yes, they did see the camera again. Those guys have been at it for hours. I don't know how they can do it because it's really hot out. I'm not sure what happens here, but it looks like he swats him away. Like he's not happy. Okay, boss man has the worker making a few more adjustments, and that pretty much ends day 2. I do walk up for a little bit closer look, and before people comment about trespassing, I had permission from a few of the site supervisors. That borderlines Old Man Weir's side of property, and as long as I stayed on that side, they were okay with it. This whole thing has been a project for me to learn since I'm new about railroading and construction and infrastructure as well. I wanted to see how they put these sections together using the lag bolts, the ties, the alignment, the Pandrol E-Clips, watching the various machines come in and bolt these sections together, how they put these frog sections in and the pointer rails, just identifying each piece of equipment so I'm a little bit more familiar with what is going on underneath these trains. And it's been super interesting, and I'm glad that they allow me to have a closer look. Okay, now that the switch section is completed, it's on to removing the old line. That entails bringing in a spike puller, getting all that pulled out, using this pneumatic rail drill to be able to unbolt the sections and start cutting that away, using a truck to remove all the old ties, and believe me, it's a mountain of hardware. So I have a lot of great video from the air with these machines in action. And so yes, it moves into a cleanup stage before they can start doing the real action, putting this in place.